You can insert symbols in Excel from the Symbol dialog box available in the Insert tab. Choose your desired symbol by scrolling through the list, click on it, and select Insert. Go to the Special Characters tab in the dialog box to insert them easily. Alternatively, you can type C, R, T, M in parentheses and press a space to insert the special characters for copyright, registered, and trademark, respectively. You can also use keyboard shortcuts like Alt plus 0128 for the Euro currency symbol, Alt plus 251 for the square root symbol, and so on. Now, to insert emojis, you need to press the Windows logo key followed by the dot or semicolon to open the emoji panel and pick them from there. All of the options above works on Google Sheets too. However, it has a separate option in the Insert tab to insert emojis.